discussion for today, which is clinical interpretation of CTG, right? So what is cardiotocography? Hello Tahira, welcome. I can see your message there. Now, what is cardiotocography and how do we perform this cardiotocography or CTG? So we have this machine here, which is the CTG machine, okay, right? And as we can see in this machine, I'm sure you must have seen this machine in your labor rooms, right? And there's a monitor here on which the fetal heart rate pattern comes, and the contraction pattern also comes in the bottom, right? And you have a paper strip here which comes, so you have a graphical record also, right, that will come out, and you can continuously check the fetal heart rate with the help of this machine. And you can see these probes attached here. So there's one probe here that is called as the TOCO probe, right? So TOCO for uterine contraction. So this is the probe that is placed on the fundus, on the uterine fundus over the abdomen, and this takes care and measures the uterine contractions. This TOCO probe is for the contractions, and you have these two more other probes which are called as the cardio probes, right? Now these cardio probes, they are for assessing the fetal heart rate. So they are placed on the maternal abdomen where fetal heart rate is best heard, right? So this is the CTG machine that is used to perform the monitoring of the fetal heart rate and the contraction pattern, right? And you can see here in this figure here on this inset, this is the cardio probe that is attached, right? And this is the TOCO probe that is attached to the woman's abdomen. So the TOCO probe is somewhere near the fundus of the uterus, right here at the top, and the cardio probe is down below where the fetal heart rate is heard at the maximum intensity. And you can see this woman is holding a pen-like structure. This woman is holding in her hand, and every time that she perceives a fetal movement, she's going to click on this pen, right? So she's going to click on it, okay? It's like a button. She'll click on it and it will be recorded onto the CTG paper strip, right? So this is to record the movement. Right? So with the help of this CTG machine, we are able to use it in two different scenarios. We are able to use this for monitoring the fetal heart rate in two different scenarios. We perform one thing which is called as the non-stress test, and we do it a little differently, which is called as the CTG or cardiotocography. I want you to be clear that the basics of reading the trace and the basics of interpreting the fetal heart rate pattern are the same for both of them. The only difference is that this is non-stress. Non-stress means the woman is not under any stress. She is not in labor, right? So this test, NST, that is the non-stress test, is done for antepartum fetal monitoring. It is using the same machine, using the same principles